Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're going to do another massive Amazon unboxing. So I didn't know if I wanted to continue doing these videos just because, I don't know, I just don't feel like doing them anymore. Well, anyways, I have a whole bunch of boxes and stuff to unbox, so I figured I'd just make another one. I didn't provide any links in a previous video because I didn't think I was going to start doing these anymore, but I'll probably try to put some links into this video for the things I've gotten in this video. So people who do want to watch and still, you might still be able to get some of this stuff. Anyways, so let's get started. First one is from this company, Beautiful by Earth. It's a foaming face wash. This one's a peppermint tea tree version. I actually started using some of their products. First couple things that from them I did get for free, and I actually do like the products, so I got purchased more. Even my wife likes it, so this one here is just another. These are stickers. These are like 2-inch stickers that you can put on envelopes to seal them. I believe that one was, it was an ad, but it actually came out to be like $1 after, after they do refund, which was fine. My wife figured she could probably use it for other crafty things. So for $1 for, I think it was like 200 something little circle, pre-cut circles tape. That was a good deal. Alright, so this one here is a body pillow. This was also a Facebook ad, and it's supposed to be a silk material. Gray stripe. From Mr. and HM Body Pillow. I did get refunded for them, and I believe the material is kind of a silky material. I think my wife kind of wanted something like that so that she could sleep on it and it won't damage her hair, I guess. We'll see. Alright, here's another. This one seems to be a, oh, okay, no, it's a car seat traveler bag. But supposedly you can fit other things into this, so I went ahead and got it. I used to need something like this a long time ago, but my kids are grown now, so I don't really need to carry these baby seat anymore, especially when we travel. But you can always use it for other things, so it's a good sized bag. You can tell the quality of this material looks really nice. And it folds up to a very thin pocket, suitcase size envelope. So it's a travel bag. You just unzip this and it unfolds into a big old bag to hold a car seat. And it's supposed to have a little protection pad in it too. Alright, so this one is Time Out. There's some type of It's for your skin, for people who have like eczema, or if you get little bug bites, even acne, just different type of skin issues. My daughter, she does have big welts whenever she gets a mosquito bite, so I'm hoping something like this would kind of help soothe that. Again, that was a Facebook ad. Trying to rush for these bags because we got a lot of boxes to open. So this is from Vaunt again, and this time they offered a nightlight. This is more of a kind of a warm color versus more of a white color, which I actually don't mind, especially at night. I think a warm color lighting up the hallways would be a little bit more useful. Again, that's from a company called Vaunt. Oh, okay. It follows the box. Oh, sure did. So this one here is just it's a Facebook ad, and as you can see here, let's see if I can. It's one of these new fashions that a lot of people are using hemp oil. So this one's a heat activated gel. It's supposed to help your joints and stuff. It's a pretty box. It just got crushed. I guess I'll put it back in the box for now. I'm sure there's something to read on the box later. But that is the hemp oil. The cute box. It just got crushed out of the box. And that was a Facebook ad too. I started seeing a lot more of these Facebook ads and group for these hemp oils. So I went ahead and got a couple. Just, you know, you never know. Might be useful in the long run. And see, here's the other one. This one's 5,500. Wow, sorry. But it's a pain relief hemp cream. Yeah, sorry, you won't be able to really read anything. My lights is kind of blowing it out, huh? Yeah, let's try to change the color a little bit and then let's dim it down a little bit. How about that? Is that a little better? So it's just this 5,500. I also got the Xennial 500 version. Okay, let me grab my scissors and let's start opening some boxes. Alright, so this one's for a Facebook group. And it's an LED lamp with a hi-fi speaker. Can't remember if it's Wi-Fi or not. Oh, no, this is Bluetooth. No? Oh, maybe it's Bluetooth and there's an app for it. And also it creates white noise, QR code included. I don't know. I figure it's cool. Figure the kids would love it. I'll probably put it into their room. Okay, let's get another one here. So I started seeing more of these Facebook ads, and basically what they're for is for like a disposable flatware. But so this one here is kind of made from a cornstarch, composite cornstarch. So I mean, it's a whole bunch of them. It's a total of 150 pieces, so about 50 of each. I figure, you know, you can always use it for whenever you have a house party or just, you know, when you don't feel like washing dishes. Oh, okay, so it's on 30 knives, and then the rest makes up the rest. It comes with some straws. But, you know, I figure it's cool. It's natural and compostable. But, you know, it was free at the refund, so I figured why not stock up. Something cool to stock up on, right? Alright, let's see. Here's a long box. Oh, okay, so this one just came in today. I just got the Facebook ad for this one. But they're a loofah sponge set. But it's a charcoal activated one. Ooh, nice packaging. From Tone. So charcoal, bamboo loofah with wooden handle. So this one, oh, actually has a nice molded rubber handle into it. That's nice. But it comes with a loofah sponge, and when attached to your sticks, it could, you know, scrub your back and lower back, stuff like that. But this is actually a really nice packaging. Yeah, it's cool. But yeah, I like that anti-slip grip. I know I opened one previously in one of my previous videos, but all they did is kind of wrap string around this. I mean, it was semi-tight, you know, but then when you actually started using it, the string starts kind of moving, and the grip was just not that great. So this one looks like it has a nice sealed rubber or TPU grip attached. But yeah, this was free after a ship. So that's a cool one. Okay, so let's open a bigger box here. I'm curious how some Amazon stuff just ship with clear plastic tape, and while the other ones has the Amazon tape, which, you know, feels more factory fresh, right? Versus this one, which you don't know what's going on. So this one is box. Yep. So this one is a whole big old pack of microfiber. Figure you can't get enough of these. You can always use them to, you know, clean around the house. Anyways, this is a whole big old pack. I believe it was like 30 of them. That looks about 30. So that's cool, right? There's another Facebook ad. Again, I'll try to find all of them and link them below. Usually the ads are still there. I just have to link them properly so that you're able to click on them, because I don't know, Facebook has a weird way of sharing it. If you share it incorrectly, it just doesn't show up. I know it's weird it's hard to explain, but whenever you click on it, the link won't work correctly. So you have to link it in a certain way. Alright, so here we go with another mattress protector. So this one was for a full. I have mostly queens at my house, but I'll find a use for this. But the quality of this actually looks really nice. This is from Tons Rest. Tons of Rest. I don't know. Tons Rest is doing it short, but it has like this cool little 3D weave on it, so it feels like a little protective kind of padding. It says a bamboo something composite strings or something that they shove into it. This one doesn't actually show it, but that's all it is. Alright, some stuff here. Some of that stuff in the shot. See anything you like so far? Comment below. I'm more of a tech guy, so I'm thinking that little speaker with the light is kind of cool. I wish it was Wi-Fi, but you know, it's not a big deal. I was hoping it was Wi-Fi so that I can kind of hook it to some type of smart home triggering process. I can trigger it to maybe turn on at night and turn off in the evening, towards the morning. So this one here is bed linen. And it's 6. They just kind of scratched it out and wrote the number 6 on it, but just trying to see what it had before. But anyways, it's just some pillowcases. The material looks fine. I got some previously, and my wife said it felt kind of like hospitals material pillows cases. This one feels maybe about the same, a little thin, but you know, you can always throw up pillowcases onto something, you know, you'll find uses for it. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more boxes to go. Hopefully this video is not too long. And nothing too cool this time, huh? Alright, so this is a bigger box here. And what do we have in here? Okay, so this is a Facebook ad. And it's for hangers. It's real thin, non-slip hangers. The ad was basically they'll refund it everything but $5 for them. And the hanger looks really nice. It's black. Well, so it's $5, you know, after refund for 30 hangers. So I figure, you know, normally this stuff is free, but $5 you get 30 hangers. Why not? You know, simple, no review. But they're black hangers, and the shape of it is pretty nice. I mean, I can open it, but I don't think anyone really cares. Plus, I'm trying to keep this video short. But it's pretty nice. It makes it so you can actually either hang pants, shirt, or it has these little hooks on the side so you can hang like blouses, stuff like that. So it's really a multi-use hanger. That's why I went ahead and said $5. Why not? Alright, let's see what we got here. This one's kind of heavy here. So this is ultralight portable folding storage bags for adults or kids. So I think this was just a portable folding storage bag. I don't really remember ordering this, so I don't have to kind of go through and see. I don't know if it's a free ship or what? Huh. Now I'm curious. I don't know what that is. This one I know. This one's gonna be the pillows. It was a Facebook ad for some pillows, and you can always use more pillows, right? So I went ahead and got. Oh well, no, this is not what I thought it was. So what is this? I don't know. Yes, it still is polo. So these are some Queen Super Plush Gel filled pillows. Okay, so this is it. So these are the pillows that comes in the box, but they're just some queen size, and I guess there's some gel in the pillows too, which, you know, supposedly it kind of helps keep it cool. So I thought it was perfect timing because, you know, I had pillowcases plus some pillows, and, you know, I'll find a use for them. You can never have enough pillows, right? More pillows, the better. All right, 2 more boxes to go. Sorry, this is another big box, so I'm trying to open it on the side a little bit. Oh, okay, this one's cool. So this is a Facebook ad, and they were giving out these cool army backpacks. Hey, look at that. That's a very good quality looking backpack. I did get one previously through another Facebook ad, so it was a black color. So this one, I wanted a different color. I was trying to decide between this more of a desert coyote brown versus a khaki brown that they have. So I went with this one, the coyote brown. I figure, you know, it's a nice dark color. It's just, man, just look at that bag. That's a very nice looking army bag. It's supposed to have really nice plush straps. And yeah, it has backup straps for stability. And yeah, this is a nice backpack. Has all mollies all around it. So that's a real cool one for free. Alright, one last one. I'm not really sure what this one is. It does say Expedition Sheets. I'm not really sure what this is. So let's open it and see. Hopefully it'll be like another free ship of a comforter or something. The previous comforter I opened on, I don't know if I opened it up on video, but that comforter was actually really nice and comfy. Oh wow, this is a big old mattress pad, huh? Oh, wow, everything's for beds today. So this extra plus plush bamboo top mattress, queen size, breathable, including skirt. So this doesn't seem like it's gonna be water resistant or waterproof, you know, for if you have kids and stuff. But it's a padded mattress. Yeah, I'll find a use for it. Well, so it seems like I got a lot of stuff for beds this time, so that's kind of cool, huh? So what do you think you like the best so far, huh? Leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And comment if you want to double check, and if I didn't post a certain ad for one of these items that you do want, just let me know and I'll double check and I'll try to yank the ad as soon as I can for you. Again, just make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help my channel grow and I can find cooler stuff. You know, comment below if you want to see reviews on certain specific things or want me to order, compare, blah, blah, blah. Just let me know. All right. I guess I'll leave it there.